What's going on, YouTube? OCD for EDC here. What I got for your face balls today. We've got another package coming from Northwest Knives. I'm not sure what's in this box, but we're going to jump up in here and check it out. I've got a little Spyderco sitting here. Today we're going to use my wife's PM2. This is the Blade HQ exclusive aluminum scale with a CME. And, you know, it's my wife's knife, so it's all beat up and looks like that on the blade. But let's just get in here. So you guys have already heard me say time and time again, go and check out Northwest Knives. They are awesome people. And if you ever get the chance to go to the Boise, Idaho area, definitely stop by and check them out. This thing needs to be sharpened. Of course it does, because Molly's been using it. But let's get the paperwork out of the way and see what we're working with in here. Okay, looks like we got 4 knives. Pretty simple. We got 2 big boxes, 2 little boxes, and some paperwork, some COAs. Let's throw the box off to the side, and let's just get into it and see what it is. I'm going to pull this one first just because I recognize this one had a yellow sticker on it, and it's super, super lightweight. All right. What is this? Is this man bug? All right. So we got a fully serrated in VG10. Is this the man bug? Yeah, man bug. With the leaf blade shape serrated. There you go. This is made in Seiki City, Japan. VG10. And I'll tell you guys, like, these little knives, they're actually super functional, and they make great little keychain knives. I mean, the lockup on these things is solid as a rock, and it's actually usable, you know? Like, a lot of the little tiny knives like this are, you know, so small that you really can't use them. This one here, you know, you can one hand open, and you can one hand close. Handle's pretty lightweight, but you can also do the old reverse flip down, whatever you want to call it. But, you know, they make these in good blade steels. This one's in VG10, but they're pretty cool little knives. So fully serrated VG10 man bug is the first one up on the show today. Next up, now this is a heavier box. Okay. All right, not much heavier. Sure felt heavier. I'm going to say this is a plain edge man bug. So it probably is slightly heavier just because it doesn't have the serrations. But we'll, here, you know what? Let's just verify. Let's see how good my my arm calibrator was. I'm saying that the plain edge was heavier than the serrated. Flip her over to grams. Which one's this? The plain edge. 19.96 grams. 9.5. 9.5. Okay. 19.95 grams. 19.76 grams. So 0.2 grams heavier on the plain edge. So, man, I got a finely tuned weight calibrator there. But, okay, so we got the plain edge and serrated edge leaf blade shape man bugs. And then, what do we have going on here? Which one of these is heavier? Ooh, I don't know. These are close. Really close. They're too close to tell. I don't know. Let's just open one. Oh, what do we got here? What do we have here? Let's pull the paperwork on this. Obviously, what we have is a pair 3, but it's in non-stainless steel. And, oh, this one's in CPM 10V. This is a River's Edge Cutlery Para 3 in 10V. So if you want to read that right there, you can pause, zoom in, do what you got to do. But it is 10V River's Edge cutlery coming in hot. What color are they calling the G10 here? Coyote Brown. Coyote Brown G10 scales. Let me get the sticker back in there. Okay. 10V pair 3. That thing's sweet. Really digging that. Can't go wrong with some 10V. Looks good. Is good. Yeah, pair 3 is just a great knife all the way around. And 10V is a great steel. Okay. Oh, that's why these were very, very similar in weight, and I couldn't tell them apart because they're going to be almost identical. Really, really close. And here is the other River's Edge cutlery in CPM 10V with coated blade and hardware. So the black and Coyote Brown versus the satin and Coyote Brown. Very cool. Well, now since we got these two, let's see if there's a weight difference in these guys. I'm saying they're really, really close. I don't think the coating's going to matter much. 95.57 grams for the uncoated. And for the coated, 95.71. 95.71 grams. I don't remember what this one was. 95.5. So it's about the same difference, but much heavier, 0.2 of a gram. There you go. So my arm was calibrated over here, not so much here. All right. Well, you guys know the deal. Anytime we open up some brand new Spydercos, especially when we got some 10V on here, we have to get the old edge testing equipment out. And you guys know what it is. All right. Let's check these edges. And we're going to start with the plain edge VG10 Man Bug with a leaf-shaped blade. VG10 blade steel. Here we go. Okay, 115 grams. Very good result on that VG10. Next up, we're going to hit the VG10 Man Bug in serrations. We're going to go with the second large serration right there. Here we go. Okay, 70 grams, which, you know, used to be really impressive, but when you're getting numbers like 35, that's just on another level. Let's go with the satin blade, or I'm sorry, the coated blade first. And here we go. CPM 10V coming out of Golden, Colorado. Here it is. Okay, 55.55. I expected these to be sharp. Blade centering looks like it's spot on. Action is great right out of the box. That's a beautiful knife right there. And 55 is a fantastic result. All right, satin blade, 10V, Golden, Colorado, River's Edge cutlery, para 3. Here we go. Wow. Okay, so we had a 55 and a 65. Both phenomenal results. Action's not quite as good on the satin one, but it's good. It's really good. It's just the the coated one feels like, you know, it's really good. And this one's just good. But still beautiful knives on both accounts. Both are incredibly sharp, and both of those man bugs were also very, very sharp. So there you go. There's the look at the latest stuff coming out of Spyderco. Some dealer exclusives, as well as some new man bug models with a new blade shape, fully serrated and plain edge. That's pretty awesome. Love to see some 10V. It's a wonderful steel. And yeah, I have several knives in 10V, and now I've got a couple more. So anyway, guys, thanks so much for coming and stopping by, checking out this video. Leave a comment, do all the things. We'll catch you next time. I'm out of here. Peace.